In today's episode, we finally add some water to the layout, we add some trees and some fences. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Shelvington. My name's Andy and this is my model railway in a garage. In today's episode I'm going to be finishing off, hopefully, the little watering swimming hole scene here. I've got some more grass to go in down the sides, some more ballast for the track, I've got some trees to go in. Got the bushes to do along the fence line here, and some more grass and more ballast on this little bit of mattings, this foam here, just to disguise that. And then we're going to go just up to this area here, almost sort of straight across with that. And at the moment I've got a saucepan just warming up, and that will hopefully, because I've got the water has arrived today, the easy water, so I've hopefully got enough. I've got a packet and a half, fingers crossed it's enough for this area, I hope so. So I can't video that process because that's in the house and I've got no means of getting the camera, I just can't do it. So I'll do that off camera, get the water stuff made as per the instructions, then I'll come back and then you'll see me, hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully in a few minutes I'll be able to pour the easy water into this area here, and keep your fingers crossed that everything works. Right, wish me luck. Okay, so here we go, boiling hot. Well, let's see what it looks like. There we go, it's pouring nicely. Just hope it works, and I hope it's enough. This is 1.5 bags of easy water. Oh, is it going to be enough? Oh no, could have done with at least 2 bags. Oh, knickers. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's 1.5 bags of easy water. I think it's about $26 a bag, so it's quite expensive. I followed the instructions on the pack. It says do not mix with any liquids, don't touch it, of course, use a clean dry disposable container. Well, I got that frying pan, which was an old frying pan. We've replaced it months ago and it was just in the kitchen, so that's why I use that. But yeah, I can't use it again for anything else. It is destined for the dustbin now. Yeah, first impressions are, yeah, it's okay. Apparently you can use like a heat gun on these areas here to get rid of the bubbles. Unfortunately I don't have a heat gun, so we might be stuck with some strange bubbles there. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to get my fingerprints in it. But the overall effect is it's not bad. It has highlighted, however, that the board that it's sitting on is not level, because it's up to the bank, shall we say, here, but it's not here. But that kind of gives it a bit of a, I don't know, a bit of variation anyway, I think. But still feels very hot. Certainly don't want to be touching it anytime soon. So I'm not going to do anything else in here now. I'm going to let this set for at least an hour or two. I'm going to get a cup of coffee and I'll then come back, and then we'll carry on and we'll finish off doing the ballast and more grass and trees and loads of people as well to go in. So we'll let this dry and fast forward an hour or so and I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, so we've got some trees to go in, quite a few, and because of the foam they just pop straight in, which is really good. I'm going to put a fence in across there, but what I've got here, there we go, what does it say? It's called concrete bollards. I've got loads of these. I think they're only £1. So I think I got about 7 or 8 packets of these. They're on special again over Christmas. They are, there you go, 44-531 concrete bollards from Bachmann. quite a few. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them, dot them around here in this this car park area, just across here, maybe here, leave a gap there, and down that area there. Right, do that. Okay, we'll crack on. We'll make some fences now, just to go across the back, just continuing on from the metal fence and just go across there. I'll get all these cut out and made. So yeah, we'll jump to fast motion. So there we go, folks, the story so far. So as you can see, we've come a long way in the last few episodes, last couple of weeks. So we've got the construction site. That's going to be the next area to work on. It's very much under construction. We've got some different people to go in around the lake. I'm going to get some ordered, some different different people, some fishermen I've seen on the website here in New Zealand, the HO scale, but I think that'll be fine. And then we've got the rest of the the layout to do, because at the minute we've done about, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 meters by about 40 or 50 centimeters worth of scenery. There's an awful lot more to do, but it's progressing very well. It's a lot better than it was. It even just looking at it, it's better than just the plain bare boards. Got the golfers to go in to finish the golfing scene, and then the corner near where the caravans are. That's going to change quite dramatically over the next couple of weeks. There's a bit of a plan in place for that. I'm not going to say any more about that at the moment because it is still in the planning stage. It might happen, it might not. If it does happen, it will be fantastic for the layout, but yeah, I'm not saying any more about that. It might get me into trouble if my wife's listening. I hope she's not. Anyway, I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I'm over 1,400 now. I'm completely blown away. If you're new to the channel and you've just subscribed, please just in the comments just say hello, just say hi, because I don't know who you are. I can't find out who these you wonderful people are that are subscribing to me. It means so much, and I want to thank you, but I don't know how, and I can't. So yeah, in the comments just say hello. Yeah, so thank you to each and every one of you. Thanks to all the subscribers. Thanks to everyone that's liked the videos and the channel so far. It really does mean so much to me. It really does. Thanks for all your continued support. And we'll leave it there for today. I'll leave you with some pictures of the latest bit of scenery that we've done, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. But yeah, until next time, thanks very much. Stay safe, take care. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.